Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Block Blast application on your iOS device. To download and install Block Blast on your iOS device, first of all, open up your App Store. Go to the search box at the top and type in Block Blast. Look for this application and then tap on the Get or the Install button to begin downloading the app. You may need to authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password. Wait for the app to download, and once it does, tap on the Open button. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded Block Blast on your iOS device and are ready to start playing. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more app download tips. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.